Welcome to Lily Artist English. As I have completed 100k subscriber on my first channel which is in Hindi language, so I have decided to start a new series of fabric painting for beginners in English. Before starting a video, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe so that you can get tutorial in English. These are the materials required for fabric painting. Let's see one by one. So this is a tracing paper. You need this paper for tracing the designs on fabric, and other is carbon paper. It helps to get transfer design. Now you can take any color of cloth. Here I am taking a pink. I am showing a pink cotton pillow cover, but in this video I will paint on white fabric, and of course pencil, pen, brush, and a container for storing water, a piece of cloth like this to clean your brushes while painting, like that. So this piece of cotton is must because you are going to need it when you have to dry your brush. After that, most important thing, the color. You need the color. I am showing you the boxes, but you don't need the full box. You can take one or two color, and this is the medium. I will explain everything about fabric painting in this series one by one. So be patient, watch video carefully and completely. So I am using a container of water for washing my brush, and using container so it is safe to put on the table, and when you are done painting you can just close the lid. These are the material you will need for fabric painting, and also a embroidery hoop or wooden frame, you can say that, like that. Now I am using this brush, angular brush. You can see the detail on the screen for painting. If you want to learn how to draw design, or if you want me to draw design and show you, so you have to join the channel. Simply just visit Lily Artist Fabric Works, where you can get a join button. Take the subscription of level 1, where you can get drawing videos easily. So join and learn from there. Here I will explain you the shades and important steps of fabric painting. As this is my second series of fabric painting, I have already covered one series of fabric painting for beginners, in which I have showed you every basic detail of fabric painting from scratch. So if you want to learn from scratch, you have to visit Lily Artist Fabric Works and watch that playlist. That beginners course videos are bilingual, so you can get both Hindi and English explanation in the same video. So watch, learn from there, and if you have any queries, any question related to fabric painting, feel free to comment below. I will cover your topics in my new videos. In this series I will teach you different shading steps, so that you can shade a simple flower in different way and give it a unique look. I have chosen this design to start with because this is one of the most loved design on my channel, and you guys need the explanation how did I paint that. So yeah, why not, here we are. For painting this flower I am using an angular brush, as I already showed you in beginning of the video, and purple and white combination for painting this flower. For painting second flower I will use yellow color combination. I am filling first two petal with white color, and then take the yellow paint and applying from the center of the flower. I want lighter shade on the outer side of the flower, so I will apply some more white color. Then for the next three petal I need the opposite effect, so I will apply the lighter shade from the center and spread it in the petal. Now take the yellow color, the darker shade, and apply from the outer side of petal, like that. First you have to apply and then shade. After painting purple and yellow flower, I am now painting a pink flower. So yeah, first of all we are going to paint first two petals in the same manner like I explained you before. The lighter shade on the top, the darker shade from the center, blend it. Now this petal look like more darker from outer side, so I will apply some white color and blend it well so that it blend and lighten at the same time, like that. Now we have a good petal. Now I am painting rest of three petals all together, applying the light shade white color from the center and spreading it outward like that. After applying a smooth white color, use a pink color on the brush and apply it from the outer side like that and shade it. Now I am using a darker pink to give it a nice texture. And here we have done painting all the three flowers. This video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Now I am using round brush to paint leaves, and light green, sap green and white color will be used for painting leaf, but its step is different. The color combination, how I apply it, you have to watch carefully so that you can understand what is the process of painting these leaves. Okay, so make sure to watch completely and share this video with your friends and family who are looking for fabric painting tutorials in English. Now I am connecting all the leaves with a line by using the same brush I have used for leaf, but if you are not that much confident, use 0 number liner brush for drawing the line. So by following these simple steps, you can also paint this simple flower very beautifully on your fabric, on your stuff. I hope this video will help you to learn fabric painting very easily. If you want to know about fabric painting in next video, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, press the like button, turn on the notification button to get notified at right time. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.